Dry, frizzy, lifeless hair? Not after today. This is a 100% effective natural remedy that works from the very first use. Skip the expensive salon treatments, because today I'm sharing a powerful 3-ingredient natural mask that will leave your hair soft, smooth, and full of shine. This recipe is so effective you'll feel the difference after just one use. Stay with me till the end because I'll share my secret tips to make the mask work even better. Try it and share your feedback in the comments so others can see how well it works. Before we continue, I'd love to know, which country are you watching from? Drop your country name in the comments. Let's get started with this miracle mask. For this powerful treatment, you only need 3 main ingredients. Rice strengthens roots and adds natural shine. Flax seeds release a rich gel full of omega-3 and vitamin E for deep hydration. Fresh aloe vera locks in moisture and soothes the scalp. Pour 1½ glasses of water into a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. Cook on low flame until most of the water has been absorbed and only a small amount remains with the rice. Turn off the heat and let it cool. In another pan, add the same amount of water and 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Simmer on low until the seeds release a thick gel. Immediately strain the gel into a clean bowl while it's still warm. Take a fresh aloe vera leaf, trim the edges, and soak it in clean water for 1 hour to remove the yellow resin. After soaking, scoop out the clear gel with a spoon, add the aloe vera gel, the strained flaxseed gel, and the cooked rice, with a little of its water, to a blender. Blend until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Pour into a bowl and stir in 1 tablespoon of glycerin. If you like, add honey and coconut oil for extra shine. Apply the mask to clean, slightly damp hair from roots to tips. Massage gently so every strand is coated. Cover with a shower cap and leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes. This allows all the nutrients to soak in. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. You won't even need conditioner. From the very first use, your hair will feel softer, smoother, and visibly shinier. Use this hair mask 1 to 2 times a week for the best results. If you don't have fresh aloe vera gel, no problem. After blending the cooked rice and the flaxseed gel, you can simply add ready-made, 100% pure aloe vera gel from the market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more natural beauty secrets.